This may not look like car shopping to you, but I'm in market right now. Oh my, what the heck? Oh, that's awful, I love it. Most of the day, car shoppers are passive, like this. They're not actively searching for you, but if you can get in front of them with a compelling offer, you can hook them into an active shopping experience. The best place to do that is Facebook. People spend an hour a day on their newsfeed, checking in on cute cat videos and some angry acquaintances. Wow. So at Dealer Inspire, we're innovating entirely new types of Facebook ads for our dealers to run that are powered by Conversations, our messaging platform with AI. I've been looking at some Chevy models this week on Cars.com and some dealer websites, checking out prices, and now I'm being remarketed with this ad. See if you qualify for an instant personalized offer. And I can get this offer just by messaging the dealership. That's a great hook for me, the chance to get personalized savings right now on models I'm interested in, but what makes this really powerful is the technology to follow through on that hook and provide instant value to the consumer. So this is cool, I'm interested, I'm gonna tap the CTA send message and that opens up Facebook Messenger. Conversations is integrated into Messenger, so I'm talking to Annabot AI here. She'll chat with me and see if I qualify for offers, and she's automatically pulling these offers incentives from OEM and dealership manifest lists. So Anna asks if I'm looking for offers on a specific vehicle. I'm just gonna say no, all vehicles, to see what I can get here. Then she's going to ask me for an email or phone number to capture the lead while she has me hooked. Send that on over. And she found offers for me. The eligible vehicles are listed. The Cruze caught my eye last week, so let's look at that. And boom, I just made $1,000 in a matter of seconds. She asked if I want to talk to an agent. I'm gonna pass and just tell her, nope, I'm good to go. As a shopper, I love this dealership now. They move fast, they give me personalized savings. I'm all about them. This whole connected experience happened inside Facebook where I was hanging out. I didn't need to go to a website. I'm not submitting a form and then waiting to hear back from the dealership. I'm getting what I want right now, and that instant gratification is how you turn passive shoppers into active shoppers. Another example of this is an ad offering to give me an instant trade-in estimate. I'm getting this ad because the dealership uploaded a list of sold customers from 3 to 5 years ago to their targeting, so I'm in that time frame for wanting to trade up. It's only going to take 30 seconds to find out how much they'll offer me, so why the hell not? And once again, this is Annabot greeting me, and I'm going to go ahead and just answer some questions about my current vehicle instead of providing her with my VIN, because who has that on hand? She's going to ask me some simple questions like year, make, model, trim, and then bounce my answers against trade pending with your built-in margins to provide an instant trade-in estimate range. All right, that offer seems fair. I trust it because it's being calculated by a third party and a robot. Okay, so I now have an appointment to get a new car at an exciting personalized offer and sell my old one at a fair deal. That was quick. I'm gonna go back to being passive now. Teresa is savage.